recording. Okay, and yeah, we were here 17 problems. Okay, yeah. So next is 18. White to move. Put your opponent into check. अक्षित, नींद आ रही है बेटा? अगर नींद आ रही है तो पानी मार के आ थोड़ा मुंह के ऊपर. ओके, yeah, you will be fresh, don't worry. It happens, this particular time is very bad time.
सर मैं आंसर दूं?
नहीं, आपको क्या करना है, आपको आंसर आपके नोटबुक में लिखना है ना सबको. सबको, क्योंकि किसी एक को अगर आएगा कंटिन्यूअस और जिनको नहीं आएगा तो उनके लिए तो इजी हो जाएगा ना. फिर तो कोई तो आंसर दे रहा है, सो दे वोंट बी एबल टू लर्न. I want everybody to learn. So you write it in your notebook. After a minute, I will give the answer. You check it. If you are correct, you will be happy, and I can see that from your face. Okay? Yeah. Thank you very much, beta. Let me take your presentee also. Who all are there? Ashit is there. Ishan Joshi, there or not? Say yes, sir. Ishan is there or not? Shlok?
Yes, sir.
Arav, Arnav?
Present, sir.
Both, no? Very good. Lakshit? Lakshit is not there. Ian is not there. Rusham? Yes. Sayyam? Shashwat?
Present.
Aditya?
Sir, Rusham present.
Who? Aditya present?
I saw.
Yeah. Sidhu present. Okay. Aditya, Vaibhav present. Riya present. Shreya present. Avni is there? Avni? Shashwat, Arav, Ashit, Vaibhav, Ishan, Riya, Rusham, Sayyam, Shlok, Shreya, and Sid. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Now coming back to our problem, if you have written the right answer, put your opponent into check. So that check should be safe. First important thing in checkmate or check is that check should be safe. So here there are possible checks are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 checks are possible total. Let us see how many checks are there. Number 1, this. But this is a bad check because this pawn can kill. So this is bad. Then number 2, this. Again, this is bad. Knight can kill. Then there is this check. Rook can kill. Again bad. And the only check, good check is this. Pawn push and check. And this pawn cannot be killed since pawn has support from another pawn. So if you have written the correct move, fantastic. Next, white to play and play the move which stops the check. आपको जो चेक है, अभी क्वीन ने व्हाइट किंग को चेक दिया है, वो चेक कैसे स्टॉप करना है, आपको अवॉइड करना है। स्टॉप करना मतलब अवॉइड करना है। क्या करेंगे आप? व्हाइट टू प्ले, लुक एट द बोर्ड। Yesterday I had taught you 3 different ways available for the when the king is in problem. That means when the check is there, only 3 different ways. When another piece is there, you can save by 6 different ways. But in case of king, 3 different ways. Number 1, kill the attacker. Number 2, block the attacker. And number 3, run away. So here, killing the attacker is much possible. Yes. Rook takes queen and there is no check now.
Yes, sir.
Next, like to move, put your opponent into check. Now you have to find the correct move, correct check. Many checks are there, many, literally many checks. And of those many checks, only one check is good and all checks are bad. I taught you what is good and what is bad. Now you have to look at every possible check and you see if it is good or bad. If it is bad, just forget it. Next check, forget it. Next check till you find a good check. I am going to give you 2 minutes for this problem because I know it will take little time for you. You can write total how many checks are there also. That is also another question. So you write in your notebook total number of checks, say 10. And then you write whichever check you feel is good, you write that check only. But don't write out of nowhere 10 or 15 or 6 or 7 or 8 like that. You have to find those checks and then count it. So if you are done, I will tell you there are 6 checks. Total number of checks available 6. I will show you all. Number 1. Let us go with this. This is the check. But this check is not good because queen can kill. If queen kills, your queen can kill, then again rook can kill. तो इसका मतलब बाद में ब्लैक के दोनों जन जाते हैं, क्वीन और रूक, और व्हाइट का क्वीन ही जाता है, व्हाइट का खाली रूक रह जाता है. बट एनीवे, simple thing you is that this check is not good because this rook can be killed. So this is bad check. So let us find second one. This is also a check. But again, this is bad. No support. King can kill the queen. इतना नजदीक आएगा तो कोई भी थप्पड़ मारेगा ही मारेगा. Okay, without support आ गया. So second check is bad. Then again here, third check. That is also bad. This queen can kill the queen. Then this check. This is the check. But this is bad. because this queen could kill.
Yes, sir.
ये यहाँ पर आ गया तो queen could kill. Then again this is the check. So again this is also bad. So because this
Yes.
rook will kill. So the correct check is this. If you have written this check, perfect.
Yes, sir.
Good. धीरे धीरे प्रॉब्लम थोड़े अच्छे अच्छे हो जाएंगे. Don't worry. Now white to move. Play the move which stops the check. Now there is a check from bishop. Camel is giving check. So how you will stop that check? Very simple. This is very simple. Simply run away. You cannot run over here. You cannot
सर
run
वो
over here
आराम से
also.
कर सकता है.
What?
वो सर ये पॉन ना वो ब्लैक पॉन को किल कर सकता है.
नहीं, लेकिन चेक तो इससे है. बिशप इज गिविंग चेक. तो ब्लैक पॉन को अगर मारेंगे तो चेक तो वैसा ही रहेगा.
तो फिर किंग को
Actually करना है.
G1 में डाल देंगे.
Correct. That is correct. King को G1 is the correct. Very good. Next.
Simple was.
White to move.
सर वापस सिंपल है ये.
हाँ?
बहुत सिंपल है ये वाला भी.
हाँ, लेकिन तुझे जो भी सिंपल लग रहा है ना उसके आंसर तेरे नोटबुक में लिखना चालू करो, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे सब प्रॉब्लम्स डिफिकल्ट होते जाते हैं और बाद में सबको तकलीफ होती है.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Simple.
7E, Luke can move to 80.
Yeah, I do not want that you should give the solution to everybody. If you are solving, you will get the mark. Because of you, why everybody should get the marks? We are giving 1 mark each for good solution. Okay. So after solving all the problems, we will see who gets the good marks. Okay. Yeah. Now white to move and put your opponent into check. Not easier. And whatever you write first, that you should consider. नहीं तो ऐसा होगा आप लिखेंगे बाद में वो रब करेंगे वापस दूसरा लिखेंगे, वो नहीं चलेगा. You decide and then you write.
सर
No answer. No answer.
मुझे पता नहीं चला, फिर से रिपीट कर सकते हो?
बिल्कुल. यहाँ पर जो प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है ना, वो प्रॉब्लम में आपको चेक फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कौन
Okay.
सा चेक है वो आपको बुक में लिखना है. आप अगर बोल देंगे तो सबको पता चलेगा, सबको 1 पॉइंट मिलेंगे. आप नहीं बोलेंगे तो सिर्फ आपका ही राइट होगा तो आपको ही पॉइंट मिलेंगे बेटा. हर एक आंसर को, राइट आंसर को 1 पॉइंट एंड रॉन्ग आंसर को 0 पॉइंट. रिया तेरा कैमरा चालू कर बेटा.
I done.
सर डन.
Yeah, very good. Okay. If you have given this answer, this is wrong. Because this bishop rook को मारेगा. So this is not safe. If you have given answer this, again this is also wrong. क्योंकि ये जो black bishop है वो इस rook को मार सकता है. This is also wrong. The correct answer is this. Rook G7
But the
is
king
the
can
answer.
kill the.
So there is a support from another rook. Support है ना, तो king cannot kill. King के नजदीक जाएगा तो king थप्पड़ मारता है, ये बात बराबर है, लेकिन उसको support है तो थप्पड़ नहीं मारता.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
वो आगे आएगा तो फिर उसको थप्पड़ मारेगा.
Yes, correct. Black to move. Play the move which stops the check. Thanks, Sidhu.
Sir, done.
हाँ सर.
Now the correct answer here, this cannot come over here also, yeah, here also, or yeah, here also, anywhere. It cannot move. Even this
Because
rook
वो
is
king है,
also
वो queen है ना इधर. Queen
Yes.
है ना.
queen है
इधर
और
king
ये
है,
rook
इधर.
भी है, ये rook भी है. So this is the only thing you can stop. Put your
Block कर सकते हैं वो.
bishop block. Blocking is a very important. Yes, correct. You are learning that. Black to move. Put your opponent into check. Total, how many checks are there? You find out. I want you to find how many checks. That two questions are here all the time. Total number of checks available, so and so. And which check you will decide. Yes, Sidhu, you want to ask anything?
मैं आंसर बोलूं सर?
नहीं, आंसर खाली नहीं बोलने. बाकी कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकता है, लेकिन आंसर नहीं बोलने. At the end of the session, you can say now how many rights and how many wrongs. So everybody will know who is clever. That's all. But everybody is learning. No? Not telling them is actually helping them. Rusham, why you are not opening up your camera? Thank you. I must see your faces because with your reactions also, I can make out what is happening over there. Now here there are, I can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 checks and 5 checks. So if you have written 5 checks, your answer is correct. If you have written 4 checks, your first answer is wrong. Let us see all 5 checks and let us see which one is better. The first check is this. But this is bad. Pawn can kill. Pawn से ये rook मर जाएगा तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. So first is bad. Second is this. This is also bad because bishop will kill. Bishop से मर जाएगा. It is not safe. So second is bad. Third is this. Again ये rook
नहीं
मारेगा.
ये rook है.
Rook मारेगा. So third is also bad. Fourth, this is good check. Because there is a support, nobody can kill this and good check it is. So we will keep aside fourth. But there is a fifth check also. Fifth check is this. But this king can kill the pawn. There is no support.
Yes sir.
So these are all 5 checks and only 1 check is better.
This check is
Good.
only better because
Very good.
it
Very
can
good.
block the rook.
Correct.
Rook.
Correct. First
Yes,
thing
sir.
is that you must learn out of this is safety. Safety first. then you can play whatever
sir.
you want, but safety first all the time. I am trying to imply this in your mind, that safety first. मैं हिंदी में भी बोलता हूँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है चेस में सेफ्टी.
Okay.
अपनी सेफ्टी पकड़ के ही आगे चलना है अपने को. थोड़ा सा रिस्क लेना अलाउड है, लेकिन वो भी कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क चाहिए, परफेक्ट कैलकुलेशन चाहिए उसमें. ओके, नाउ ब्लैक टू मूव, प्ले द मूव व्हिच स्टॉप्स द चेक. Now here, this pawn is giving check and pawn is have support of this. So king cannot
Yes,
kill
sir.
this pawn. That is for sure. There is one more thing pawn is doing. Pawn is not only attacking the king, pawn is also attacking the bishop
Bishop.
as well. So you can move over here, you are out of the check. Very good. Or you can move over here, you are out of the check. You can move over here. Simply so moving the king, you are out of it. But what is going to happen if you save your king, you are going to lose the bishop. So it is better that you take the attacker with the bishop. Our first thing, how to save, you kill the attacker. So killing the attacker is most important. And here, this has got, bishop has got support. So now, rook cannot kill the bishop because rook will get killed.
Because it has support of the
Yes,
king.
it has support.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect. Now, white to move, put your opponent into check. टोटल चेक्स कितने हैं और आप उसमें से कौन सा चेक चूज करेंगे. So if you are done, how many checks are there? There is 1, 2, 3 checks are there. Let us see one by one. This is first. But this is bad because bishop will kill your queen. Then this is another check. This is also bad. थप्पड़ बैठेगा इतना नजदीक आ गया तो. And this is best.
Yes, sir.
Now here I will ask you how black will save himself. It is next turn. How black will save. Black को तो check है. तो black save कैसे करेंगे? Anybody can answer me? You are allowed to answer. Raise your hand and answer. You don't have to write this. श्रेया सांगू शकतेस?
नाही.
बर, हरकत नाही. बघ चेक तर दिलेला, चेक कळतं ना तुला? आता चेक दिलेला आहे, बरोबर ना? मग आता तो वाचवायचा असेल तर 3 पद्धती आहेत ना. एक पद्धत काय आहे? अटॅकर. अटॅकर म्हणजे क्वीन आहे आता इथे. क्वीनला मारायचं. तर क्वीनला मारणं शक्य आहे का? सेकंड, कोणाला तरी मध्ये आणायचं चेकच्या लाईन मध्ये आणि तिसरं पळून जायचं. तर आता बघ तूच उपाय काय आहे त्याचा. क्वीनला मारणं शक्य आहे का मध्ये कोणाला आणणं शक्य आहे का पळून जाणं शक्य आहे. आणि मग जे उपाय जे असतील ते मला सांगायचे. येस अर्णव.
Sir, C8 to E6.
How you will save the king? There is a
Sir,
check.
in this condition, not the first condition.
No, in this condition only. We have done this move. The check is
Okay.
there. Check is there. Yes, Sid.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Can you answer?
D8 to G7.
Sir,
Hmm.
D6 to F8.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. D6 to F8. But here you don't say this way. You say bishop because D6 के ऊपर कौन है? Bishop. Bishop to F8. So you write it B capital, and then dash or no dash. That is okay. F8. F is small. BF8.
Sir, king can also go down.
King can also go down means up. For him it is up. But where? G7.
Sir, yes.
G7.
Sir,
But you,
G7.
yeah, you know that G7 move is a suicide. Suicide or I think bad. Suicide means you don't know the meaning of suicide. But it is very, very bad. And there will be a checkmate.
But sir, why?
There will be a checkmate. Future checkmate is there. If king moves there. I can show you that checkmate, but you won't understand it.
Sir, I will.
Yeah, I will tell you. मैं सबको मैं बताता नहीं हूँ, खाली मुंह से बोलता हूँ. कितना समझते हो देखते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You try to listen carefully. Try to listen carefully. अगर किंग आगे आ गया, that is G7 पर, तो bishop will kill H6 and check. फिर किंग को बिशप मारना ही पड़ेगा. वो मारने के बाद रूक जो है वो H8 पर आएगा और चेक आएगा. फिर किंग आएगा G5 पर. फिर
Yes, sir.
क्वीन और ऊपर आएगा G7. एंड लाइकवाइज वो ऊपर आते चेकमेट हो जाएगा. उसे बचने का कोई रास्ता है ही नहीं. समझ गए सीड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
या आप चाहे तो इसका फोटोग्राफ लेके रखो. बाद में आपके घर के निजी बोर्ड के ऊपर ये पोजीशन लगाना है आपको, और ये लगा के आप खुद चल के देख लो क्या होता है.
सर मेरी मम्मी ने मोबाइल ले लिया, इसलिए स्क्रीनशॉट लेने की कुछ है ही नहीं.
Can't help. If anybody can get the screenshot of this, please take it and send it to Sid or send it on the group so that it will be helpful to him.
Yes, sir, I took it.
Fantastic. So and you send in the group only directly on WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah, and then जैसे मैंने बोला अभी यही करना है कि किंग को ऊपर करना है G7 पर, एंड देन बिशप को ये मारेगा बिशप H6 और चेक. और उसके बाद में जैसे मैंने बोला वैसे खेल के देखो चेकमेट होता है क्या. We will move to next problem. Black to move. Play the move which stops the check. प्लीज जरा हे ठेवायला आणरे जरा काहीतरी ते डिप ठेवायला. Purposely I am taking on demo board.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Here first try to understand there is a check from bishop, and that even a check is there, but bishop controls all those squares. Not immediately, but in future. That means it is a hidden attack on this bishop also. Hidden attack. अभी क्यों hidden? Because it is king is there in the middle. If king is not there, king is over here, the attack will be on this bishop. Are you getting this? If king is not here or king is here, the attack will be here. But our position says this.
Then the bishop will be gone.
Correct. So we may say that this is a X-ray. X-rays, no? It is a X-ray. X-ray song.
Yes, sir.
So now, what is your task is to save your king. Now our first aim is how to save, kill the attacker. So killing this is possible? No, not possible.
No, sir.
Sir.
Second is put somebody
Sir,
in middle. Wait,
Up now, we will put the king at beside the pawn.
yeah, let me explain. Okay, here, this place and this place. If anybody comes over here, then you can block the check. But nobody is over here. So again, blocking is
Yes,
not
sir.
possible. अगर एक pawn भी इधर है, तो भी pawn आगे आके block कर सकते हो. But pawn is not there. Pawn is not there. So blocking gone. So third is run away. Now this can run over here, can run over here, can run over here, can run over here, or can run over here. These are the places where he can run. Now important thing is that you must remember what that king is doing over there. वहां पर किंग क्या कर रहा है, उसका वर्क क्या है. वो इस पॉन को और इस बिशप को सपोर्ट कर रहा है. कैन यू इमेजिन, उनके हाथ में डाल के वो उनके साथ खड़ा है. वो बाकी दोनों पीस भी उसको बोल रहे हैं कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं, और किंग भी उनको बोल रहा है कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं. अगर किंग यहाँ पर आ गया, या यहाँ पर आ गया, या यहाँ पर आ गया, या यहाँ पर आ गया, कहीं भी 1 2 3 4, तो किंग उसका साथ छोड़ देगा. So when you save, this is a save, good save, but I can't say this is beneficial because he will lose the bishop. So very importantly, king has to continue supporting, and only one place is there. Now support is continued. At the same time, king is not in check. Now if white kills this, king can kill back.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर,
The correct
आराम
answer
से
is-
थप्पड़ दे देगा
correct
वो व्हाइट
answer
बिशप
is
को.
king to b5 is the correct answer. You know, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें लेकिन
Okay,
सब
sir.
इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपको
Okay,
सीखनी है कि क्यों, why. ऐसे ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इसके लिए आप बोलेंगे हाँ हाँ सर ने बोला है, ऐसा नहीं है. That why is very very important. Next. Black to move, put your opponent into check. There are many checks again.
सर मैंने प्रीवियस क्लास में यही जो वेबसाइट है वही यूज किया था.
Yes. So if you have written how many checks are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checks. If your answer is 5, you are right. Let us see one by one. This is first. यहाँ तो थप्पड़ बैठने वाली है, तो ये अभी मैं आपको समझा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You know it very well. Without support, you don't go near the king. Then ये यहाँ पर, बट यहाँ भी नहीं क्योंकि नाइट इसको थप्पड़ मारेगा.
नाइट उसको थप्पड़ दे देगा.
यहाँ पर आएगा तो भी नाइट ही मारेगा, या तो ये पर उसके पास चॉइस रहेगा फिर रुक से मारना या
ऐसे ही रहेगा कहीं पर.
लेकिन यहाँ पर नाइट से ही मारेगा क्योंकि नाइट छोटा है और रुक बड़ा है, तो छोटे से मारना में ज्यादा मजा आता है.
तो
ये
फिर
ये दो
तो फिर ये क्वीन
यहाँ पर आएगा
इधर जा सकती.
तो भी ये थप्पड़ मारेगा.
क्वीन कैन
हाँ.
करेक्ट.
और ये क्वीन बिशप, ये ब्लैक बिशप के सामने जा सकती है. सामने भी जा सकती है.
नहीं 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 नहीं, सामने नहीं जा सकती, नहीं जा सकती. क्वीन यहाँ पर है ना बेटा, B5 पर है, तो B5 से वो यहाँ जाएगी अगर सामने, दैट मींस E5, तो चेक
कौन
नहीं,
थप्पड़ दे देगा?
नहीं चेक नहीं आएगा. लेकिन वहां पर ये चेक भी नहीं आएगा और थप्पड़ भी खाएगा, दोनों हो जाएंगे.
यस सर.
So this is the right trick because there is a support from rook. Rook is supporting. Black to move. Play the move which stops the check. Very important. यहाँ पर there are, you cannot kill this. इसे तो मार नहीं सकते आप, लेकिन बीच में इसको डाल सकते हैं. पर ये बीच में डालना गलत है क्योंकि ये मर जाएगा और वापस चेक विल कंटिन्यू. यानी आपका चेक स्टॉप नहीं होगा. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो चेक तो कंटिन्यू होगा, तो इसके लिए ये गलत है.
Yes, sir.
तो द करेक्ट इज सिंपली मूव इट अहेड. हियर मैं आपको और एक सवाल पूछता हूँ. सब लोग पोजीशन ध्यान में देखो, सब लोग. ये पोजीशन है, इसमें किसकी पोजीशन अच्छी है कोई बता सकता है? पोजीशन, आई एम सेइंग पोजीशन.